Hi crafters, welcome back. Today I'd like to show you how to make a cake topper using fondant. My mother-in-law showed me this magazine picture. She wanted one very similar. Let me show you how easy it is to make. You'll need some alfoil, some icing sugar. You can use a product called CMC for thickening, but you don't have to. I'm just using some leftover fondant that I have. And then some food colouring to make the different colours. To start, rip some alfoil and scrunch it into a loose shape of what you think the inside of your figure might look like. The next step is to have a look at the fondant that you've got and try and work out how much colour of each you need. Separate it into small blocks and add a little bit of food colouring. Oh, you know what we should do?
What?
Always put the lid back on.
Yeah.
And look what Antoinette found for us. These will be perfect to cut the edges.
Edges.
Yep. The edges around here. Alright, we'll keep kneading until this goes nice and yellow.
Yep, see you soon.
I think we should mix the two colours together because the colour of that is a little bit orange as well. Do you think those two colours made into that?
Yes, I think so.
Let's see what it looks like when we blend them.
We also need to make some brown.
What's the brown for? Oh no, I'm just going to do white hands. I think it'll look nice with white.
Okay, white hands.
So if it starts to stick to the bench,
You need to put some
alright, so let's put a little bit there.
because we don't want it to stick to the bench. I'll be mixing this in the meanwhile.
Yep, that's for the face.
Yep. There's green in it, Mum.
Well, take the green out with your, pinch it out. So if you get anything like that, you just pinch it out with your fingers and discard that piece.
Yes, we don't want that piece at all.
It's ready? Do you think that's a nice colour? Yeah?
Let's compare.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go, okay, I need about that much for the hat.
That much for the hat. Yep.
I need that much for the arms. And that
And
will
then-
give me this for the actual body.
Right. The dress. I'm gonna call it the dress.
So before I roll out the skirt, I'm going to lay a bit of baking paper and
Hey,
I'll
look.
show you why that's easy. What?
Yellow and yellow.
Yeah, they're both yellow.
We have our baking paper and our coloured fondant. So we try and stretch it and flatten it out on the baking paper.
Do you think I should make it into a circle and then when you cut it around, we can just lay it around
Yeah, that I was gonna do.
like a skirt?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Because I was thinking more like a triangle and then we wrap it around, but a circle.
Can you film me?
Yep, so you want to flatten that out?
You need to do it with your palm. There's no hand.
It's just like playing with Play-Doh, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly like that. Okay.
I think it needs to be bigger to go over this. You've got to think about what it's going to look like. And I think...
Yeah, that needs to be flattened out.
It's okay, just keep pressing. You can use a rolling pin if you want, but I don't think we really need to. So when you put it back on, try and line it up perfectly. That's okay.
Okay. Oh wait, I want to feel it. Wow. That story even, I love it.
The easiest way is to make it into a ball, roll it around like this, and then just slowly make it into a log shape.
Log shape.
Yeah, and then you can poke a little hole in there, and that's where his little hand will come out of.
So, you see, we've got one arm on.
And then wrap it around. When you're attaching two pieces together, just use a little bit of water and that'll help it stick. I hope you enjoy watching as our little Santa comes to life. It's really that easy. It's just like playing with Play-Doh. Use any tools you like. You can poke and prod and add different colours and just have fun with it. Good luck. Merry Christmas and happy crafting, everyone.